Friday, slot car news. We got big Carrera news. You're going to have to hang around till the end to hear about that. Stick around. Friday, slot car news sponsored by lebhobbies.com. LEB Hobbies, racing fast, made easy. Visit lebhobbies.com. How are we looking? Not too bad. The amount of overkill going on here behind the scenes. Lights, my real work camera for video. This is a little nuts today, but let me get organized here. There we go. What do you think's in the bag? We'll check that out in a second. We're just gonna jump right in. Happy Friday, by the way. Sideways. New Aston coming out, going to be out later this year. According to the Facebook page, this thing only weighs 82 grams. That's amazing for a 1/32 scale car. That's very light. They've only made note of one other thing in the post, which is the white kit that they expect to be coming out by the end of this year. And LEB has just let me know, and I did a post this morning, that they've gotten a shipment of the new Piranha motor with the Carrera clips, the quick disconnect that Carrera does on all of their cars. It comes with a pinion, and it's a 21.5K. Now the standard motor is about an 18K motor, so this would be a real big upgrade. I wouldn't race too many of these on a digital track because the amp draw on this is going to be a little more than normal, of course, because it's a higher performance motor, to say the least, compared with the standard Carrera motor. So LEB suggests racing no more than 4 cars. I probably wouldn't go more than 3, 4. Yeah, okay. 4 would probably be okay. 3 would make me feel better, frankly. Next, Slot It. 956 Rothman's livery coming fairly soon. I believe this is part of their Winners series, and yeah, that car is going to be coming before you know it. I got a whole bunch of pictures here that I'm going to drop on, and a picture of the chassis and picture of just the body. Car looks really amazing, of course. News about the second livery of the Policar 312B2. That car, that's the number 5 car. That car is going to be delayed until June. Not really sure why on that one. Next news item we have is a Fly Special Edition car that's being done specifically for Slot Car Today, which is run by a guy a great guy, a Spanish guy that I've met a bunch of times when I was over for Toy Fair, and he's celebrating his 10th anniversary, and Fly has done a special commemorative edition of the 250 GTO just for him. That's really awesome. Next, we got an update. It leads right into this. I'll open this in a second. This week's shirt, one of this week's shirts on Blip Shift was the Winged Warrior shirt that you see here. Now again, I have absolutely no affiliation with Blip Shift other than the fact that I buy a bunch of their shirts. What do you think I bought? This car's pretty far away because the camera's pretty far away. It's all the way over there. This is my Pioneer bullet car, and this is the, hopefully it's it, or I'll look really stupid. Stupider than normal, yeah. Yeah, it is. This is the Blip Shift version of the shirt, which just arrived. That looks freaking amazing. Can't wait to wear that. It's a nice kind of a hunter green and kind of black and green shirt. I think I got the tri-blend shirt this time. It's a really awesome Bullet logo on there for folks that are big Mustang fans or fans of the movie. Obviously, who can not be a fan of the Pioneer car? It was absolutely phenomenal when it was released. And this shirt, yep, this shirt was a no-brainer. Let's see if they have the sticker. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There you go. That adds 5 horsepower to your car if you put it on your car. Or your slot car box. Trust me on that. What else is in here? Not too much else. Just a card and a receipt. Okay. Enough with the blip shift stuff. What else do we got? Okay. We got some big Carrera news that I alluded to in the opening. Okay. Get ready. Everybody sit down. Hoping you're rested, you're calm. The C8R delayed until 2022. Why is it delayed? Well, I don't know. I didn't ask Carrera, but so not only is that car delayed, and I believe that would just be the 1/32 scale car. Did they announce this in 24th scale? I can't remember. Anyway, there's 2 sets that also are going to be delayed because that this car is delayed. And I will try to drop photos in here of those sets. It's pretty disappointing. It's an analog and a digital set, as well as the open stock cars. So, you know, I mentioned this in one of my videos recently about how there may be some stuff that gets delayed this year because of the lack of microprocessing chips. I don't know if this was part of that. It could just be a typical production delay, or a delay because they have some other issue with getting the car just right. I don't know. But it's delayed until next year. The Corvette C8R by Carrera, delayed until next year. Last note, and it's not really a news item as such. I did a live stream a few weeks ago. It seemed like it went over pretty well. So I'm going to be doing another live stream. I'm going to be doing it this Sunday, 2 days from now, here on YouTube. I'm going to be starting at 11 a.m. Eastern. I'm going to go for, you know, pretty much as long as anyone will listen. I don't know, an hour or two. I went for almost 3 hours the first one. I don't know if I'll go that long this next time, but you never know. I'll be talking about pretty much anything anyone wants to talk about, answering questions. I also will be talking about, I'm going to be selling off a fairly large part of my own personal collection, including some rare cars. I've gotten a position as the team photographer for a local minor league baseball team. And, you know, because of changing jobs in the last year, changing jobs, that's a euphemism if I've ever heard one. I need some way to try to fund camera lens for the new part-time job that I got, in addition to my full-time job at the paper and the consulting work for a couple companies. What I'll do is, if you're interested, you can email me. And I will email you back a PDF of the cars that I have. This first list is there's going to be more cars coming. Some not quite so rare as these. There is a green Cuda on there. There's a couple prototypes, a couple Carrera prototypes that I'll add to the second list. So anyway, if you're interested, email me. I'll send you I have my email list, or my email listed down below, and feel free to contact me and I will bounce you back the list in a PDF. And again, if you want to stop by on Sunday, I'd appreciate the conversation, and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, folks, thanks a lot. Thanks for stopping by, and see you on Sunday maybe.